Hello and welcome back to Trash Talk. This is episode 2. We are with my friend Be Bold Rahul from Be Bold Rahul, co-founder at Bold Care.
I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to sun these boys, can't even.
Are you okay? I'm glitching out.
Come on now.
What's going on, dude?
Just stuff.
How do you feel about the idea of my little cold plunge podcast?
I enjoy. I feel like this is a very interesting idea because like people will not have done it before.
Yeah.
So they get in and then they're like shocked out of their
Stripped
senses.
down out of
Yeah.
their pretense.
Vulnerable.
Yeah.
Raw.
I feel like I'm just finding more alliterations with cold plunge, cold plunge party, cold plunge podcast. How's life, dude?
Life is good. We've just launched a couple of new products, new ranges.
What new products?
We've launched a range of like vibrators and massagers and like nail strokers. So that's going well.
Male strokers.
Yeah.
I understand how you test the male products. How do you test the female products?
We have a team.
You have a
We have a team in-house, which is
Just
led by
hiring
me.
for that stuff.
We have an anonymous form where they'll give ratings.
Oh really? Is
No,
that
I'm kidding. It's all based on vibes,
vibes?
mostly.
Of course, vibrators are based on vibes, Rahul.
Of course. Of course.
Okay, let's get the ice in and get to crushing.
Oh shit.
Step 1 is
Oh fuck, this is too cold.
it's cold. Are you surprised that the block of ice is cold, Rahul?
I'm dreading getting into this.
You should be getting into this. Okay, get to picking.
What's happening with you?
Decided to be doing more content, man. I think after several years, I find myself in a space where I can comfortably put out content very seamlessly and frequently. Because I feel like a lot of work shit was very anxiety driving for a long time. While it's still like
Getting
anxious,
there.
I feel like I am a lot more in control of a lot more things. And that is a very nice, liberating feeling, Weird contraption, dude. It's like a little ice sculpture.
It's kind of like jacking off. It's just like
You don't have to say it.
it's part of my brand to always talk about sex.
How do you take your work seriously?
It's very difficult.
Okay, come, let's go.
Come. Okay,
Ready?
I'm ready.
Continue this conversation in the trash can.
Okay, fine.
Go on the sides and get your feet up. Yeah, get your other foot up. And go. Oh my God! Get in, dude.
Okay, let's converse.
Put your hands in.
Oh my god.
Put your hands in. I feel like that guy from Golmaal one, that principal.
I don't
Get
know.
out! Remember when he's yelling at...
Oh yeah, I remember. That's like that's Satish Shah or someone, right?
Yeah, the principal. And they were like scheming him. Chaddi pe gaddi free. They were scheming him with all kinds
My
of
hands
shit.
have to be out, bro. So what's the coldest thing you've done?
What is the coldest thing I have done? Much colder than this.
Ooh, this is lovely though. This sounds so good.
Huh?
I feel all the blood rushing to the center of my body. I feel good. I feel good about it.
I am so able to make conversation with you. How's life?
Life is very good, dude. I think right now I really enjoy what I'm doing with like content and everything.
Yeah.
And I'm having a really good time shooting stuff, which I'm doing with your team only, which is nice.
Yeah.
Having lots of fun making content, doing interesting shit.
So you're attempting to build a fan base on YouTube.
Correct.
That's... Please subscribe to People Ra. I don't know why I'm glitching out so hard.
Yeah. Put your hands out if you want, bro.
No, my hands are... I ain't no little bitch.
Right.
You're also getting fit now. How's that?
I am getting fit. That's why I fit. Because I lost a lot of weight.
Dude, so many changes in your life in the last like 6 months.
Yeah.
Started
moving to
YouTube,
Bandra. Yeah.
moved to Bandra.
I think moving to Bandra has like been beautiful for me, and I really enjoy moving here and living here.
How was growing up in Navi Mumbai?
Growing up in Nagamma actually was very nice because it was like a nice community where like there were, like all my friends used to live really close by, right? It was like a nice spacious area. My school had a lot of space, it had like a football ground and all, which I don't think a lot of schools in Bombay have. I was a very good child until like third year of college.
But did you grow up like always like, oh, I want to start a business? Like,
No,
not that way.
No, not at all. Because I don't come from like a business family.
You just-
None of my friends
what do your
also,
parents do?
So my mom's in the income tax department.
Shit. Actually, great. You need income to be scared of them.
Don't relate.
I have no income to be scared.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ
And my dad was at Reliance, like he was part of the captive power plant and like Parazelene and all of that.
Yeah. No, the point I was getting at was founders all have little cracked energy. Like most founders I met are like, like they're all walking around like dogs in New York. You know, like American dogs always walking like they have some place to be. Most founders I meet, they're like you know, they're always walking around like some like trauma they're carrying. Yeah, everybody's in the head. But you don't give me that vibe. You're very like chill, like Indian
Yeah, because
dog.
I think my childhood was like really laid back and really chill. And I was like really good at like education also. So like there was no pressure from my parents to like study.
And then you went to college because Remedy wasn't working out. You went back to college, and then you got a job like selling software.
Yeah,
Like a
yeah.
very base. How
So
much are you getting paid?
I was getting like 35,000 a month.
You had a 35,000 rupee job,
Yes.
and now you're on a 500 crore company.
Yes.
But
My
you studied aerospace. engineering.
I studied.
You graduated.
I graduated with like 8.3 CGPA.
That's good, alright.
That's good. Out of 10, dude.
Out of
It's
10,
quite
okay.
good. It's
I don't
good.
know.
What the fuck?
I haven't been to college, man. I don't know.
So yeah, I did that, and that's when Freshworks came, and a lot of my friends, like my seniors, had already moved to Freshworks. They were selling software. I was like, okay, cool, let's try this out as well. Let's do something. And my mom was like, eventually you should write Gate, not Gate, Cat.
Cat.
Yeah.
What is gate?
Gate is like for MTech.
Gay.
Then as I was working at Freshworks, I got a call from Rajat one day saying, dude, we should do something together. I
And you
came.
started making condoms.
Yeah.
That's insane. Dude, I've not met a lot of like super chill founders who are so successful. Is Rajat cracked?
He is. It's good to have that. Like he's like the guy you want leading the ship. Like,
No, it's
he's
also good to see. I think the other thing in like successful outcome businesses is most times I'll see very, very healthy mutual respect. Like I've never seen you ever. I've only seen you talk like up and up and up.
Yeah, because I feel it's also because all of us grew up together, and throughout college we've always been like building shit together. Like we went to this Robo Wars competition in IIT Bombay where we built like this huge ass 70 kg robot to fight other robots. It was
Oh,
remote
nice.
control.
I did this in school.
Yeah,
I was
it's
in a
fun, no?
robotics club. No, and then I got kicked out.
Oh shit. Okay.
And then it's like I was just here to talk to girls. So in my school, there was a boys section and a girls section. Very few instances where the boys and girls would interact, and our robotics team was one of them.
Okay.
So I was super down to be there.
Okay.
Yeah, I was distracted. I liked it. I had some great ideas and shit. I was good with it, but how much time have you been in? You've been in for
Dude, I've gotten used to this cold. I can just sit here for 30
Let's
minutes.
get out. Bro, that's because you have a warm layer of fat on your body.
Soon, it'll be gone. Get out of this!
How are you feeling this?
Fantastic.
What is the goal physique? Do you want to get like abs and shit?
Right now the goal is to lose 10% body fat and then 10 more to get to abs. By 15 I should get abs.
15 you can see some abs. Yeah. Alright, well that brings us to another to the end of another episode of Trash Talk. This time with the one and only RK. And he's Bebo Rahul on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel.
I have 206 subscribers right now.
207 today.
I hope your audience is like subscriber worthy.
Inshallah.
Nice.
Alright.
Awesome.
Cool.